In precision manufacturing, Dongguan Jieda Machinery's NCF servo feeder leads with tech innovation, boasting 0.02 accuracy via computer closed-loop control and limit guides. It ensures top-quality outputs. The optional staged feeding supports 20 length settings, each with 999 stamps, fitting special production needs. User-friendly features include 3-stage manual mode and 1-click distance setting 19999, 99 easing operation for all. Its mechanical relaxation device, paired with punch cam signals, guarantees 0 faults. Driven by a brushless servo motor and timing belt, it runs quietly, efficiently, and eco-friendly. Hollow rollers, hardened to HRCHE60 with hard chrome coating, are wear-resistant for long life. NCF servo feeder, your reliable partner in precision manufacturing. Jieda Machinery empowers your production.